Ready to see some of the most insane home tech gadgets Amazon has to offer? These futuristic finds can make your home smarter, more convenient, and way more fun to live in. From clever automation to eye-catching innovations, these are the home tech gadgets you'll wish you had sooner. All product links are in the description below. Laundry's most dreaded step just became someone else's problem. This automatic folding and ironing machine handles both jobs in one go. No more wrestling with fitted sheets or re-ironing shirts you already folded wrong. Smart detection reads each garment and automatically applies the right fold and the right amount of heat, so every item comes out crisp and perfectly shaped. It handles up to 30 pieces per session, cutting your total laundry time by up to 70%. A compact, modern design means it fits neatly into a laundry room, closet, or apartment without taking over the space. It works just as well in hotels and laundromats as it does at home. Load it, let it run, and walk away. Finding the right tie shouldn't feel like digging through a drawer. This motorized rack rotates your entire collection in both directions with a single button press, so every tie and belt you own is visible and reachable in seconds. It holds up to 72 ties and 8 belts, keeping everything organized, wrinkle-free, and exactly where you left it. Built-in LED lights illuminate your collection automatically, so early morning closet lighting is never an excuse for a bad outfit choice. Installation takes no tools. It hangs directly onto a closet rod or wired shelving using the included hooks. No drilling, no hardware, no hassle. Runs on batteries, so there's no cord to hide either. Meet your new desk companion, one that actually has a personality. This AI robot sits on your desk, holds real conversations powered by ChatGPT, and genuinely remembers you over time. Ask it questions, tell it about your day, or just let it keep you company while you work. It sees the world through an advanced vision system, recognizing objects, people, outfits, and even responding to your gestures and facial expressions. Its reactions aren't scripted. They adapt to whatever is happening around it, so every interaction feels fresh. Over time, it learns your routines, your preferences, and the faces of people you introduce it to. Emotions play out through expressive animations, curiosity, surprise, mischief, making it feel surprisingly alive. It also wirelessly charges your phone, sets reminders, and displays weather and time. Muddy shoes at the door are officially a thing of the past. This automatic dispenser slips a protective cover over your shoe in one quick step. No bending down, no touching anything, no mess. Just step in and it wraps your shoe instantly, keeping floors clean whether you're welcoming visitors or moving between rooms during a renovation or cleaning session. It works with disposable covers that are thin enough to walk in comfortably, but tough enough to protect your floors from dirt, moisture, and debris. No buttons, no power needed. The mechanical design activates automatically with the simple motion of stepping in. Compact enough to sit by any entrance without getting in the way. This is not your average robot vacuum. It has an arm. A 5-axis mechanical arm that picks up socks, tissues, and small obstacles before cleaning around them, then goes back to finish the job. No more pre-tidying the floor before sending your robot out. Suction hits 22,000 pascals, powerful enough to pull deep-set dirt and pet hair from any surface without tangling. Hot water mopping scrubs stubborn stains at high temperature while spinning mops handle the tough spots. At just 3.14 inches tall, it slides under furniture most robots can't reach. The docking station washes and dries the mop pads with hot water, dispenses detergent automatically, and goes up to 7 weeks without needing attention. It recognizes over 100 types of obstacles and navigates around every single one. Virtual reality just became full-body reality. This omnidirectional walking pad lets you physically walk, Run and move in any direction inside your VR world. No more shuffling in place or relying on a thumbstick. The circular platform fits in just over a square meter of floor space, making it practical for home setups. Special VR shoes glide across the surface naturally, translating your real movements directly into the game with minimal motion sickness. Compatible with major VR headsets, including wireless standalone devices straight out of the box. Whether you're exploring open worlds, running through shooters, or boxing your way through a workout, every step counts as actual exercise. It's gaming and fitness combined into one genuinely immersive experience. A 100-inch cinema screen that disappears into a cabinet when you're done. This motorized TV cabinet houses your ultra-short throw projector inside a sleek enclosed unit, then raises a full 100-inch screen from the floor at the press of a remote. No ceiling mounts, no dangling cables, no visible equipment cluttering your living room. The screen uses ambient light rejection technology, meaning it delivers sharp 4K images even in bright rooms without needing blackout curtains. Built-in position memory restores your exact projection settings in one click every time. The fully enclosed cabinet keeps your projector dust-free, hides every wire, and includes extra storage for audio accessories. A built-in cooling system prevents overheating during long sessions. Clean, cinematic, and completely hidden when not in use. The most overlooked room in your home just became the most advanced. This smart toilet combines a full bidet system, hands-free operation, and self-cleaning technology into one seamless unit. No separate seat attachments, no visible hardware. Motion sensors open and close the lid automatically as you approach and walk away. The built-in stainless steel wand delivers warm water with adjustable pressure, temperature, position, and oscillation for front and rear cleansing. UV light and electrolyzed water clean the wand automatically after every use. The bowl pre-mists before each flush for more effective rinsing, and dual flush options conserve water without sacrificing performance. Quiet close technology means no slamming ever. Your kitchen just gained an extra pair of hands. This rolling island cart moves wherever you need it, locks in place with wheel brakes when you're ready to work, and transforms based on what the moment calls for. Rotate the tabletop 180 degrees for a dining table, keep it straight as a prep surface, or angle it as a bar. 2 tabletop surfaces, a glass door cabinet, open shelves, a utensil drawer, and a 3-tier spice rack give you more organized storage than most fixed kitchen furniture. The farmhouse wood and white finish looks equally at home in a kitchen, dining room, or home bar setup. Built from thick MDF panels with a 300-pound load capacity, it handles everything from casual entertaining to serious meal prep. Sometimes you just need to disappear for 20 minutes. This sleep capsule creates a fully enclosed private space wherever you put it: home, office, or airport lounge. Close the privacy door, and the outside world genuinely fades away. Inside, a touch panel lets you adjust LED ambient lighting, airflow, and temperature to your exact preference. The built-in ventilation fan continuously circulates fresh air, so it never feels stuffy. Ergonomic support helps your body actually recover during short rest periods, rather than just lying down. Studies show a brief nap can boost alertness by up to 54%, and this pod is purpose-built to make every minute of that nap count. It works just as well as a quiet focus space or meditation pod when sleep isn't the goal. No electrician, no wiring, no problem. These stick-on motion sensor lights bring instant illumination to any dark corner of your home. Just peel, stick, and they're ready. No screws, no drilling. They flip on automatically the moment you walk by and shut off on their own 20 seconds later, so you never waste a battery. Toss them under cabinets, inside closets, on stairs, or anywhere else that could use a little light. You get 6 in a pack, so the whole house is covered. count the cables on your nightstand. Now imagine replacing all of them with this. This 7-in-1 station charges your phone, watch, and earbuds wirelessly at the same time. No plugging, no untangling. A touchscreen display shows the time, controls the alarm, and even pulses visually to the beat of whatever you're playing through the built-in Bluetooth speaker. It has a rechargeable battery inside, so you can take it to a picnic or a trip without hunting for an outlet. The whole thing sits neatly on a desk or nightstand and looks sharp doing it. Moving a washing machine used to mean calling for backup. Slide this roller base underneath and you can do it yourself. It stretches from 20 to 32 inches to fit fridges, dryers, washing machines, and large furniture. 24 wheels spread the weight across your floor. No scratches, no damage, and it holds up to 700 pounds. Rubber pads grip the appliance firmly, and built-in brakes lock it in place the moment you're done moving. Some days you don't want a blanket, you want to be swallowed whole. This full-body plush sleeping pod is shaped like a caterpillar and wraps around you like one giant, never-ending hug. Padded bolsters line the sides so you feel held from every direction, and an adjustable pull cord lets you cinch it snug or loosen it up depending on your mood. It's roomy enough to stretch out, soft enough to fall asleep in, and works just as well on a couch or floor as it does in a bed. Machine washable, foldable for travel, and genuinely the coziest thing you'll ever explain to a houseguest. Good music and good lighting shouldn't need two separate gadgets. This portable speaker and ambient light rolled into one fills any room or backyard with rich sound and a warm, adjustable glow. It connects wirelessly, runs 8 hours on a single charge, and you control the volume with simple finger gestures right on the device. Got 2 of them? They automatically pair together in stereo for an even bigger sound. The textured finish actually gets more beautiful with age, making it as much a piece of decor as it is a speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.